Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the loaded map, open the vehicle workshop, and press the paint or edit icon to begin. Make sure you already have any decals or texture files available, because once the paint UI is active, you want to work quickly. First, pick the object or panel you will paint, then create a new paint layer. This first layer sets base color and coverage. Choose a clear base so subsequent layers blend predictably and save bandwidth. Once the base is down, begin adding layers for trim, decals, and wear. You should use masks or stencils to protect edges. Import PNG decals with alpha so they sit cleanly on top. Make sure to tweak brush size and hardness for crisp lines, and use HSL or RGB sliders to match exact tones. If you need distressed effects, add a dirt layer with lower opacity and blend modes. Save iterations as you finish by merging or exporting the paint into a material or blueprint, then apply it and spawn the vehicle to inspect results. Test under different lighting and camera angles to confirm gloss and wear read correctly. Make sure reflections and normal maps align. If something goes wrong, first clear the game cache and reload the map, then verify layer order and mask alpha. As a last resort, reassign UVs or re-import the texture. This usually fixes missing or stretched paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.